Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to add website in Google Search Console in 2023. Okay, first things first, log in to your website. In a new tab, search for Google Search Console and click on the official website. And just click Start Now. You'll then see the Google Search Console dashboard. Choose the URL prefix method and copy your website URL and paste it and click Continue. Google will then start checking your verification. It will give you options for verification methods. Choose HTML tag as the easiest method and then just copy the provided code. After that, open your website and go to Plugins. Search for Insert Header and Footer and install the plugin. Activate then the plugin and it will show you the code snippets and just click on Header and Footer and paste the HTML tag code into the header box and click Save Changes. After everything, just return to Google Search Console and click Verify. You'll then see a notification that ownership is verified. Click then the sitemaps, copy your website URL, and append /wp-sitemap.xml to it. Click then Submit, and you will see a notification that the sitemap has been submitted successfully. This helps Google discover your post, homepage, and pages. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now add website in Google Search Console in 2023. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.